They taught us to look to the stars. They taught us to look through time. They taught us to look to distant lands. And they taught us to look within our hearts. Now, your favorite sci-fi hits are available on one exclusive mix, the Hugo Girl Sounds of Sci Fi. Blast off with our curated selection from stellar artists such as The Rolling Stone Sky, The Broken Earth, Wind and Fire, Rendezvous with Rama and the Papas, Speaker for the Grateful Dead, Jefferson Starship Troopers, Flowers for Algernon Blondes. But wait, there's more! This collection is not sold in stores, and it also features out-of-this-world hit songs like Psy Teenage Dream, Blue Moon is a Harsh Mistress, Harvest Dune, Bad Neuromance, Leviathans Wake Up Little Susie, Fifth Season of The Witch, The Demolished Man I Feel Like a Woman, Brown-Eyed Wind-Up Girl, Sweet Blood Child of Mine, and Boulevard of Broken Dream Snake. Only $9.99, available on CD, cassette, minidisc, 8-track, holocron, or Ansible download. Sounds of Sci-Fi is only available at HugoGirlPodcast.com or 555-451-1138. Order now, only $9.99. Shipping and handling not included. Taxes, duties, and other fees may apply. Hugo Girl not responsible for any dimensional anomalies that may be incurred. Order now!